Microsoft just unveiled a monster in Atlanta, and it's built to power the future of AI. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Microsoft is taking a huge swing in the AI arms race, and it starts with a brand new data center in Atlanta that CEO Satya Nadella says will help create the world's first AI superfactory. The secret weapon is a next-gen facility called Fairwater 2, which quietly went live in October and is directly linked to its twin site in Wisconsin. Together, they're built to work like one giant ultra-intelligent machine. Microsoft says demand for AI power is exploding, so normal data centers just don't cut it anymore. Fairwater throws out the old rulebook with a single flat network loaded with hundreds of GPUs that work together like one massive computer. Microsoft Azure exec Alistair Spear said, "This isn't your typical data center. It's one complex job running across millions of pieces of hardware. That's why we called it an AI superfactory." And the tech inside as well too. The centers use super advanced liquid cooling that keeps the hardware icy cold while using almost zero water. That's a huge win for the environment and long-term energy costs. Each server rack gets its own power supply, and the entire factory is built for brutal workloads like training future AI models. Microsoft says Atlanta was picked for its rock-solid power. The site is engineered to deliver high reliability without the usual backup generators and bulky power systems. That means lower costs and faster deployment for customers eager to use AI. Microsoft isn't just building data centers, it's building the factories of the AI future. For more updates, like this video, comment the hack you already knew, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any update.